Hello everyone, welcome to another Power BI DAX related tutorial, and we are continuing our series of important filter functions in DAX in Power BI, and in this case we are discussing with the all function. Okay, the purpose of the all function is that it removes any filter that are applied to table or column. So to understand this, I have prepared a very simple visual here. Here you can see two cells. Okay, so when we are in Power BI and we are at the page level, I have applied a category filter. So I have selected only two categories. Okay, you can see if I select the third category, the sum of sales increases in this section. If I remove, you can see, so you can see that this is being affected by the category, but this is not, because in this uh, visual, the measure that we have used is actually created with the help of all function. Okay, so now let's understand this measure, and you have already seen the example. So total sales, all categories. Suppose we want to uh, get information of total sales irrespective of any category filter. Okay, in our visual, yes, there is a category filter applied, but we still want to find out what will be the total sales irrespective of category filter or when all categories are selected. So that's how, or that's where you use this. We already have calculate function in our playlist. We have already discussed that. Calculate is also one of the most important filter function. But so what you will do is you will write calculate. In calculate, what we are going to provide is we will use two arguments. Suppose you are in modeling and you are creating a new measure. Okay, and let's say test or whatever you want to write it. I will and you use calculate. Okay, so in calculate you have, the first thing is your expression. Like what is your expression? It can be anything, like sales is greater than 200, sum of sales, something like that, some expression, and then comes your filters. Okay, so that's why here in total sales, what is happening is, let's not save that. Let's remove sales from here, delete from model. Yeah. So here in calculate, first argument uh, is our expression that we want sum of sales. Okay. We want total sales. And second is your filter. In filter, we are providing all. We are saying we need all orders category. That's what the use of all is. Okay. That's why this second visual will not get affected by any filter other than category, or I'm saying it will be affected by any other filter but not category. For example, in the visual we add region filter. Okay, we add region and we select central region only, then it will be affected because we have not used that here. Okay, so that's why it is kind of a filter which will work only for category. So this is the simple use of all filter, and this way you can apply it in your visual.